Chikungunya is considered endemic in Delhi. So what is chikungunya? Chikungunya is a fever which is a viral fever caused by a mosquito bite. This mosquito of Aedes genus is usually bite a person during daylight hours, that is early in the day, that is dusk, and late early in the evening, that is dawn. Chikungunya is not contagious, that is a person infected with chikungunya cannot infect other person by touching or through their saliva or due to any contact. It is always caused by a mosquito bite that of Aedes genus. So chikungunya has been considered endemic in Delhi. It usually starts as an illness, febrile illness with rigors, chills, joint pains and rash. The joints mainly involved are the small joints, and if the disease is causing lot of morbidity, then there is a debilitating lesions in the joints, but mainly the joints affected are the smaller joints. The rash, which is maculopapular rash, usually involves both the limbs, that is upper limbs as well as the lower limbs. The disease is a self-limiting disease, and its main treatment is palliative. The diagnosis of the disease is important for the clinical workup of the patient as well as for the epidemiology purposes. The diagnosis mainly involves the molecular method, that includes the PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction, as well as the serology. The PCR methods, that is the molecular method, is usually done in the earlier phase of the disease when there is active illness, that is viremia is continuing in the blood, that is less than 8 days. So PCR, if it is positive, it is diagnostic of chikungunya infection in a person. But a negative result does not rule out the infection if there is a strong suspicion clinically. For that, the serology will help. The serology usually becomes positive after 8 days when a person develops an immune response.